it's Patty. I am so excited to be sharing with you guys my 2019 Fall Home Decor tour. I have showed you a few decorate with me videos along the way, and now I want to show you the whole picture and how everything came together. I love decorating for this time of year because I feel like it just makes your house warm and inviting and cozy and gets you ready for this season. And it's just, to me, the start of like the holiday season and getting you ready for Christmas and all of those things. So I hope you enjoy this video. This year I did decide to, I normally do lots of neutrals and things like that, which I did do neutrals, but I incorporated a lot of oranges and rose gold and rust and those types of colors as well. So I hope you enjoy and come on inside and enjoy my home tour.
Before I bring you guys inside, I want to give you an overview of the front porch. I used a lot of real pumpkins from Trader Joe's. This wreath I've had for years and it's from Michael's, but it kind of is the inspiration of my whole house this year. I love the rusty colors. This fall sign I actually did a DIY on last year. I'll leave that video linked in the description box. This table my husband actually found on the side of the road, and then most of the stuff on the table are from Michael's. And then here is a general overview of what the front porch looks like, but I did do a whole decorate with me video with this space, so I will leave that video linked in the description box if you want like super details of this outdoor space. Also, the buffalo check mat is from Hobby Lobby and the welcome mat is from the Hearth and Hand at Target. The first thing you see as soon as you walk in is this entryway table. My husband and my dad built it, and it's one of my favorite things. I love decorating it for each season. On top, I have this garland from Hearth and Hand at Target, then some twinkle lights that I believe I got from the Target dollar spot, with some various pumpkins from Michael's that I've purchased along the years. The only thing that's not from Michael's are the wood pumpkin picks. Those were from Hobby Lobby last year. Then I have an olive tin bucket from the dollar spot a couple years ago with some florals from Michael's. Then that stool is thrifted, and then the pumpkin was from the dollar spot a couple of years ago. Then this lantern was Hearth and Hand last year, I believe. And then I just have some little acorns. I think those were from Michael's, and then a wood candle, faux candle, and then the stacked pumpkins were from Home Goods. Next we have another little entryway area where I have a faux fireplace and a gallery wall. The gallery wall here I have this basket that I got from Target last year, but I'm pretty sure they brought it back, and then the florals there are from Hobby Lobby this year. That pumpkin sign I've had for years. Then the wood sign I actually made. Then the letter sign is from Letterfolk, and then I just have a shutter. And then that harvest wreath I actually did a whole DIY on, and I'll leave that video linked down below, but it's made mainly with Target dollar spot stuff if you want to check that out. Then I have this faux fireplace, and I just filled it with like lamb's ear and a bunch of pumpkins from Dollar Spot, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, just pumpkins I've collected throughout the years. This lantern I believe is from Antique Farmhouse, and I just have some harvest floral from Joann's. Here is an overview of the living room. On this side table, I have a basket that's from Target, and then that glass jar is from the Target dollar spot a couple years ago, and I just filled it with some eucalyptus from the dollar spot and some wheat that I thrifted. That Hello Fall sign was from the dollar spot a couple years ago, and then the two pumpkins are from the dollar spot this year. And then I just have that bead garland that I don't remember where I got that from. So mainly Target stuff here. And you'll notice there's a pattern of Target dollar spot stuff throughout my whole house. So here on the couch, I just have various pillows. The rusty orange blanket is from Joann's. Then I have a buffalo check pillow cover from Amazon. Then the hay pumpkin pillow cover is from Hobby Lobby this year. The Hello Fall pillow is from Kirkland's last year, but I'm pretty sure they have it again this year. Then the other pillow is from Joann's, and you can't tell too much, but it has some rusty orange on that. Then this pumpkin was from Big Lots a couple of years ago. Then on my coffee table, I have some books there's some old books that my mom let me have for decorating. Then I just have these rusty orange and mustard color picks from a stem that I bought from Target this year. The fabric pumpkin is from Walmart. Then I have a little clock scale from Decor Steals, I believe. And then the little wreath is from the Dollar Spot a couple years ago. It's actually a garland that I just tied. And then I just have a faux candle. Then if I bring you around to where the TV stand is, this is like the other side of our living room. This magnolia tin is from Magnolia Online. Then I just have some candlesticks with some pumpkins from the Dollar Spot a couple years ago. And then a floral from, I believe, Michael's last year. Then I have a warmer from Yankee Candle. I love this warmer. And then that Hello Fall sign is from Hobby Lobby. Then I just have my glider here with a Target Dollar Spot pillow from last year, but I'm pretty sure they have one this year that looks very similar. Then this is a new piece of furniture that we recently got from Hobby Lobby. It was so much fun to decorate this. I love this piece of furniture and it's a really great price. This Kirkland sign I got last year, super inexpensive. Then I have a little dough bowl filled with some pumpkins and acorns and eucalyptus. The two signs in the back are from the Dollar Spot. One is from a couple years ago and one is from this year. Then those florals are from the Dollar Spot this year, as well as the amber jar. And you guessed it, the black pumpkin is from the Target Dollar Spot. I kept our homeschool space pretty simple. I just put these two little foxes that I found at the Dollar Spot this year, as well as that banner is from the Dollar Spot, and then I just filled our book rack with some fall books. Then this bead garland is where I hang the artwork for the kids. This is artwork from years past, except for the one in the middle. My daughter drew that. And then as we do crafts, we'll fill it with new artwork. Okay, so here is a general overview of my kitchen. I did a whole fall decorate with me on this space, so I will leave that linked in the description box so you can get all the specific details, but I did change a couple of things, so I'm going to go through everything really quick for you. This white picture is from Magnolia Online, and it's just filled with some eucalyptus from Michael's, and then those other stems are from Target, the ones with the pumpkins I got last year on clearance. Then I have this cutting board with a buffalo check pillow, a pumpkin from Target a couple of years ago. Then some lamb's ear from Hobby Lobby and a faux candle. Then on my kitchen island, that is included in that fall decorate with me video, I just have a bunch of stuff from the Target Dollar Spot through the years, and then some stuff from Michael's as well. Like this bread bin is from Amazon. I know I get a lot of questions on that. Then I did move this to the corner. That's different from the decorate with me. The picture is filled with greenery from Michael's last year, and then that fall sign is from Michael's last year as well. Then I have sweet cinnamon pumpkin burning, and then this towel is from Joann's currently this year. Here's a look at our dining room, which is probably my favorite space to decorate. We actually have a new table, new to us, that I found at the Facebook Marketplace, and I'm going to be restoring it with my dad and my husband, so that's pretty exciting. So in the middle, I just have a buffalo check runner from Hobby Lobby. I bought it a couple years ago. This dough bowl, I got an antique shop. Then it's just filled with lamb's ear, eucalyptus, and then pumpkins, mainly from Michael's and Hobby Lobby. The middle one is from the Dollar Spot. Then I have these candlesticks that I picked up this year from Target, and I really like the look it adds. I feel like it kind of gives it like a modern feel to it. So that is the dining room, and then here we have our coffee station. Next to the coffee station is this window that I got in an antique shop, and then that pumpkin wreath I have had for years. The coffee station I did a whole decorate with me video on with all the details, so I will leave that linked in the description box. But again, most of this stuff is from the Dollar Spot. I like changing things for each season, so I try to get things on a budget. So almost everything here is from either the Dollar Spot or Hobby Lobby or Michael's or thrifted. So I did add that wood sign from the Dollar Spot, and that wasn't in my video. Then that leaves and coffee please sign I do have a DIY video on, so I will leave that linked in the description box below too. But I love the pops of mustard and amber in this space. I feel like it adds a nice fall touch. The last space I want to share with you is our downstairs bathroom. Here I have a Hearth and Hand towel from this year, a Mrs. Meyer's Acorn Spice soap. Then in the tray I have some Target Dollar Spot pumpkins as well as a DIY sign. On this shelf I have various Target Dollar Spot stuff from years past as well as some Hearth and Hand stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was fun for me to put this together. If you did like it, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also let me know what was your favorite spot. I would love to hear some feedback on what your favorite decor was. And please make sure you're subscribed to my channel because I do have tons more of fall videos, and then after that some Christmas videos as well as motherhood and life and homeschooling videos. So make sure you're subscribed so you can join my YouTube family. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.